Today, I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly need to know about this preserved rose. This thing is absolutely amazing. I got this. It's an awesome, awesome gift. I'm going to walk you through everything, what it comes with, all the pros, the cons, everything you could possibly want to know. So let's get into it. Let's take a closer look right over here. So everything you're going to get here, you're going to get this box right over here, which I'll show you in a second. It comes with a gift bag right over here. It comes with a nice little card right over here. It comes with this beautiful necklace, which I'll give you a closer look, and this rose. So this is a real rose. It is preserved. They use some special stuff to preserve it, and it will last about 3 to 5 years. The really cool part about this is it comes with this necklace, and this also lights up. So you have this little switch right over here. You're just going to turn that on just like that, and you can see this is lit up just like that. Really, really nice. This is not meant to be. You could kind of take this off. It's kind of not meant to be. You could kind of, I like to keep this on all the time. And then what you could do right over here is you're going to put the necklace right over here, right inside here, and that's how you could gift it. And this is exactly what it looks like up close right over here. You can see really, really nice. The material is great on this. What I really like about the rose itself is you don't have to worry about getting flowers, or if you send someone flowers, they have to maintain them, they have to water them, they wilt all over the place. It's kind of super annoying. This is going to be great for Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, Christmas, anniversary, I'm sorry, all that type of stuff. So you'll see right over here, it also has text. It says, I love you. You make the world a better place. So the other nice part about this is it comes with everything you could possibly need. You want to turn this off. You just do that, and then you have this going. So when you kind of look at this is how it's going to come packaged right over here. So you have a built-in bow here. So you could literally just tie this really simply like that, and then you could kind of go really easy just like that. So we have that tied, and it's really nice. You don't need anything like that. And not only does it come with a bow, it also comes with this bag. I thought this bag would be a little small, but it fits in here just perfectly. We even have some handles right over here, so you can literally just pop this right in the bag just like that. You got your bow kind of hanging out nice like that. So that's exactly what it looks like. And we also have this card right over here. Um, and it says thank you for being you. So you could fill that out, or you could even kind of, if you wanted to, kind of put this, if you wanted to kind of lay it on a table or something, and then that would be the gift. So if you are looking for a great gift, don't want to send flowers, don't have to rely on a good florist to do something, you will absolutely love this. You don't need any gift bags or anything. They really thought of all of it. Again, it is sending flowers without all the hassle, and this will last about 3 to 5 years. Just they did a great job with this, and I absolutely love this, and so did my girlfriend. So if you're looking for a great gift for Mother's Day, Christmas, I'm sorry, I just want to give you something nice, definitely check this out.